Today we're gonna unbox this JBL Flip 6 speaker. On my last video I unboxed the Flip 4. Let's go ahead and unbox this. It's a Flip 6. Very similar to the other box. I have the other box right here, the Flip 4. "12 hours of playtime." Let's go ahead and open up the seals. It's two seals, one right there, another one right there. So the instructions should come right there. Well packaged. Here it is. USB-C charging port. That's what I liked on this one. I'm going to go ahead and charge it. I'm guessing the accessories should be here. Yes, the cable's right there. So the charging indicator is different on this one. Justin does have little dots for lights. Has that little bar. Okay, so for 30 minutes, it's waterproof, 1 meter. Here they are, side by side. This is a Flip 4, this is a Flip 6. So they're just about the same. This is where it's a little bit different in here. This is the Flip 6, the Flip 4. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so I've been using it for the past 15 minutes, and there is a difference between the 4 and the Flip 6. This one, to take advantage of the full features, I downloaded the app. There you can change the bass, the treble, and the mid, and that's where you can really notice the difference between the 4 and the 6. If you have a little bit extra money, go ahead and buy the Flip 6. This one, I'd say it's anywhere under $100. It's a good buy. Anything over, it's overpriced. So I got this one for $89 plus tax, but I wouldn't go over $100 for this one. I don't think it's worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the Party Box 100 and see what the difference is. There should be a bigger difference. I'm gonna wait for Black Friday and see if the Party Box 100 drops to $200 again.